Hey, what's up guys, this is Computer 691 here, and what I've got here is Microsoft's first preview of Windows 8. This is a pre-beta version of their new operating system, Windows 8, which rumors suggest that it should come out in 2012, beginning or mid-2012, and what I'm showing you is a Windows developer preview, it's evaluation copy that I got from the Microsoft website, so this is real. It's not some stupid fake thing created by someone else. This is actually a release by Microsoft, and this is official. So what I'm showing you is real. It's actually what Microsoft wants to launch, and I'm gonna start showing you a bunch of differences that from Windows 7. First thing, you'll quickly notice that the start button is square and it's darker. There's not that many details on it, because this operating system was made for touch, because it's going to be also available for tablets. And what I'm going to show you is the Windows Explorer. One thing you'll find as a difference here is that this thing up here, this is a little menu. I clicked on a folder, and as you can see, you can click move to, and it opens up a list, and you can also choose folder. That's different. Copy to, same thing. You go ahead and delete. Oh, this is nice. You can do recycle or permanent delete also. That on Windows 7 you couldn't even do that by right clicking the folder. On Windows 7 you couldn't do that right clicking the folder, so this is a lot different. Oh, I'm pretty sure that every little folder, every little thing has this little menu. Let's open up this folder. Yeah. Oh, this is a lot different. I think on Windows 7 it had these tabs, but it didn't have this little menu. This actually really makes it better. Let's see, you can change a lot of stuff. This, I really like this modification from Microsoft. It's pretty cool. I find it interesting. Another thing you'll notice is that the X, the expand, and the minimize button are square. That's also different, and they're also bigger. I don't think that Windows has this glass thing anymore, but this is only the first preview of it. Microsoft might change a bunch of things on it still. And another thing I'm going to show you guys, if you go over here and hover over the start button, you will see 4 things: settings, devices, share, and search. Click on settings. What you can do on settings, you can change the volume, you can disable notifications, shut off the computer, whatever this is. Languages, this is probably for another screen, and the internet stuff. Another thing that comes up on there are devices, which only showed my monitor right there. Maybe you can click on I can put it in the flash drive. Flash drive isn't coming up on here. I don't know why, but another thing I found interesting is that if you put in a flash drive for the first time, it's gonna ask you right here. It's gonna ask you, what do you want to do? If you want to install programs, if you want to open up a folder for it, you select, and every time you put in a flash drive or a CD or anything, it will save that option for you and do it every time. on Windows 7 you would have to ask it to save. No, but on this version it automatically saves it for you. Another difference. Another big difference. Another thing Windows didn't have is this search thing. I mean, it had, but once you clicked on the start button and have search, I'll explain to you why it's not like that anymore later. You can see all your apps together, and this is a huge difference. Windows 7 didn't have this. It's kind of like a Metro style way of looking at all your apps, programs. Called it apps because once again this is meant to be on a virtual machine. I mean a tablet, sorry. And yeah. Okay, now the giant difference of Windows 8 to the other version of Windows is this. If you click on the start button, the start menu is completely different. A Metro style start menu. Now this is what Microsoft is saying that is really big bet for them, because this is completely different. And you can see this doesn't compare to anything. It's a huge difference from Windows other version. If you click on the little square tiles, you can move these around, and using the scroll wheel you can go back and forth. But I think on tablets, if you slide, you'll be able to do the same. Some of these apps are like for tablets, because these don't look like, I mean, these look like kind of like those Windows games. I'm gonna open up games because I don't have an internet connection on here. I haven't played it yet. Okay. And Windows 8 is this. You can look at the control panel, and this will open. The control panel is also a lot different, as you can see. There's many differences on here. It's just completely amazing. See devices. I think Windows made all these changes because it's going to be for tablets also. And if this is for tablets, it will completely kill Android and Apple, because a desktop, and basically this runs Windows 7 programs. So if this goes on tablets, the same exact operating system, it's going to be amazing. As you can see, this is not stable. I'm scrolling the wheel and it's not doing anything. This operating system is completely unstable. For now, because Microsoft is still working on it, and I'm guessing that this will be a pretty good operating system. I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy it yet, but I'm sure that it is good. I'm leaving the link in the description, but this is for testing purposes only, because this operating system is not stable. And if you like my review, go ahead and comment, like the video, and subscribe for more videos, because I have Photoshop tutorials now, and I'll be following Windows 8, and once the beta version comes out, I'll be making another review on it. And that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.